Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I just got myself one of the Insta360 X3s, and I figured I'd get myself a little case for it. So let's see how the case works and see if it's going to be good or not. Let's open it up and check it out, if I can. I was basically looking for it to be something more secure and stuff, and I want to be able to protect those little lenses and stuff. So let's see. So this case comes with a nice little nylon case here. Comes with all these stuff, instructions. Step one, clean the camera, and then basically put it in the thing. So this is what it looks like here. So this is the cage for it. So if I put it in, let's see, so if I want to put it in like this, and then it's gonna be a nice little cage. So I'm going on a biking safari, so I wanted to be able to take this with me and not have it, be secure and stuff, and put it on like GoPro mounts and things like that. So let's see, am I in there secure? Okay, there we go. So it's kind of nice. It's got the little shoe in the top here, so I can plug in my light if I needed to, and then I can still access my buttons there. Can I still get to the battery? Yep, the battery still comes out, so that's good. Still got that, and I can still get to the SD card connector. So very cool. So this is cool. So let's see what else. And look what it's got here on the bottom. It's got the little GoPro kind of tabs. So I'm going to try to connect this up to a GoPro mount. Let's see. I've got a kit of every type of GoPro mount in the world over here. So I'm going to go for just a basic one that I would screw into like a tripod or something like that. So we'll see how that works. So if I wanted to put that in the mount, that's kind of cool. The little tabs go up and then it kind of magnetizes it in. So if you're not using them, it'll be in there good. And check this out. It just goes right there. And let's see if I got this lined up. And look, now I have my Insta360 in a GoPro style mount. So now I can mount it to a tripod or anything I wanted to just with that. Although this is kind of a silly one because the Insta360 had the little tab in the bottom. But I have like one that goes onto the helmet and stuff like that. So that's what I'll be using too as well. So very cool. So I like this little thing here. And then also I can just go, if I just want it for protection use, I can still use the little hole in the bottom, just like there was the hole in the camera. I can just plug it into this. So now I've got just extra security and extra safe thing here. I've also got these lens protectors, so I'll be sticking those on here in a second. And it's also got a screen protector, so I'll put that on as well. So let's check those things out here and see how that works. Let's see, here's the instructions for this. What does it say? It says carefully apply the lens guard with the double-sided adhesive. So these are the adhesive, the little stickers, and then these are the lenses here. So we'll give these things a shot, see how these look. So it looks like, is this two or just one lens? Oh, back. Let's look at these here for a second. And front. Oh, so there's a front and back. I don't know which is the front and which is the back lens. What is the front of the Insta360? That's a good question. I'm just going to take off this case that I have on here for right now, just to put on all the protection stuff, just so it's a little less cumbersome as I'm doing this. Okay. So let's see here. We've got the little cleaning cloth it comes with. Okay, so I guess first thing I'll do is I'll put on the screen protector over here. So let's check this one out here. So that's what this looks like. Oh, it's rounded too. It's very nice. Okay, so here I've got that off. And my screen is super clean due to the fact that it's brand new. Okay, lining it up. And I've just put my screen protector on. And you can't even really tell because I did such an awesome job lining it up. So there, that's the screen protectors on. So now, here, I'll lay me down a little bit so you can see as I'm doing this stuff. So can you see this? Yeah, here. So let's see. So now I will try to put the lens thing on, and I'm gonna guess the front. Let me see, where's the box for this thing? Let's see what the front looks like. See if it has a picture of it on the front. I think the front is the one with the screen. Okay, so now I take off this, and now I'm left with this sticker. And now I can line this up with the camera. And there, and now I've got the front little bubble on, so now this is protected. And now let's do the back. And there we go. Now I've got the back on. Boy, I did a good job. I got these lined up just perfect. So there we go. So now we have some screen protectors on there. And then I guess these are just extra stickers if I needed to take those screen protectors off and clean them and try them again. So that's kind of cool. And then we have the wipes, and I have an extra screen protector for that. And then these are little sticker things to remove the dust, but I don't think I have any dust due to the fact that I just put it on super clean and did a good job. So what else does this thing come with? So now if I put it back into the little case, and now that I've done my playing with it, let's see, put it back into the case here, slides right in, put this on, and now I'm ready to go. So very cool. So I'm going to say this case is very nice. It's nice. It's made out of metal. It's got the little GoPro tab thingies on the bottom, which is really nice to have. So I'm going to say, I'm going to say thumbs up for me. So go ahead, and the links in the description. Like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.